Hey everyone, Rama here. In today's video, I'm going to recreate Willy Wonka characters in Gacha Life 2. Now let's just open it. Oh yeah, just a reminder, the characters I'm going to recreate here are not the latest Wonka movie or the old 1971 movie version, but instead, it's the Glasgow Willy Wonka experience version. For those who don't know, a few days ago, there was a Willy Wonka event in Glasgow, Scotland called Willy's Chocolate Experience that promised chocolate fountains and a world of pure imagination. The experience was advertised using AI images. Wow, that looks kind of promising, but in reality, the experience looked like this. Eventually, the event got cancelled due to angry customers, children were crying, and people even called the cops on the whole event. Anyway, without further ado, let's get started. I'm gonna get the base here. Yep. Okay. Now the first thing I'm going to recreate is the main protagonist himself, Willy Wonka, and the owner of the famous chocolate factory. Okay. I'm gonna change the skin. How's this? Okay, let's try that. This one's okay. Alright. Let me see if I can change, if I should change the head shape. Maybe I will try this one. The ears. This can be tall. Okay. Alright, let's get to the, maybe here first. Okay. I don't know. I'm gonna try if I can make this as accurate as possible. No. Where is it? Okay, let's change the color. Alright, that's good. Next is the beard. Nope, that looks like Santa Claus. Hold on, let me change the color. I think that's okay. Okay, next up we're gonna make his face. Let's start with the eyes first. Make the eyes slightly smaller. Then move it to the left. Add pupils to the eyes and adjust the pupils. Oh, and let's not forget to change the color of the pupils. There we go. And then add highlights to the eyes and adjust them. There you go. And the eyebrows, even this one, according to the picture, it seems like he doesn't really have a thick eyebrow, so okay, maybe use this one. That's okay. Hold on. Am I missing something? Oh yeah, the nose. Oh yeah. Here it is, and let's see. Maybe I use this one. That was kind of okay. Seems fine to me. Hey, then finally it's the mouth. Too generic? Nope. Seems kind of fine to me, but no, I'm not gonna use bean mouth. Oh, okay, that's kind of fine. Back to the eyes. I want to change it. That looks kind of better. Let me adjust the eyes and the eye highlights again. There you go. Okay, I think that looks okay. Oh yeah, I almost forgot something. The top hat. Yeah, it's the top hat. Let's see. Let me see if I can find more. It's just kind of too big. Hold on. Let me see it. Should I use this one or this one? Maybe this one. Okay, let's change the hat. Alright, there we go. Moving on to the outfit now. Or let me change the color. Okay, there we go. Okay, that looks kind of okay. Yeah, I think that's okay. We're gonna jacket. I'm going to use this one. And this one should be maybe this one. Okay, change the color to chocolate red, kind of like maroon. Oh, this one's perfect. Okay, I think that's kind of nice. Okay, what's next? Oh yeah, the pants. The pants. Oh, where are they? Oh, there you go. Okay, that's even better. Okay. I wonder where do I get that bow tie for the neck? I wonder if I can find that. We're gonna do the pants first. Yeah, that's good. That's okay. And then for the shoes, this one. Maybe the shoes should be like a bit dark brown. Okay, I think that's good. So far, it's kind of simple to make this. Okay, next thing is the bow tie. Yeah. Ah, fun one. Okay, let's adjust the bow tie. I'll make it smaller and... Okay, that's good. Now let's color it with... Oh, not maroon this time. Maybe red. Like brighter red. Okay, that's nice. Oh, I better name this Willy Wonka. Am I missing something? Oh yeah, the stick. The stick he carries around in the factory. Yeah, let's find that. I think that's one. I wonder if I can make it large. Oh, I can. Okay, now for the pose. Ah, there it is. That's kind of fine. And the rest thing, I'm gonna change the hair in the icon. And voila, there you go. That's Willy Wonka. The Glasgow Willy Wonka. Okay, the next thing I'm going to make is the Oompa Loompa lady. Maybe I'm gonna use this one. I'm not gonna use base, so I'm just gonna use what's already here. What's already in the game. So okay, let's get into it. Hold on, let me get rid of the mole on her face. There you go. Maybe we'll start with the hair first. And change the hair color, like a bit darker green or something. I think that's okay. Next is something like a hair gradient or something. Yeah, it's a hair gradient shading it. Maybe we'll try that. And the hair highlight color should be... how about lime? I think that's good. Maybe we'll use this one for a while. Let's see if I can change the hair. Oh wait, hold on. Okay, let's see. Okay, so yeah, the Oompa Loompas are the workers in Willy Wonka's chocolate factory, and they're usually like male in the movies. Most Oompa Loompas in the movies are male, and they look like something like this. At the Glasgow Willy Wonka experience, the Oompa Loompas look something like this, and they're female. Yeah, they look depressed and stressed. Alright, let's see which hair should we use. I'm trying to find a shirt here, like a bob, a bob haircut, something like that. Close, but not that one. This one? Oh, I think that's good. Let me change that. Maybe I should make the hair shading a bit darker. Okay, I think that's good. Change the front hair. Oh, I think this one fits. Maybe we can arrange this. Yeah, I think that's fine. Next up is the highline. Yeah, I think that's fine. Okay, moving on to... Okay, next up is the face. Her face looks kinda like happy or smuggy here. And she seems kinda happy here, but we're gonna change that. Yeah, we're gonna change that. Oh, this one's perfect. And the eyebrows, can I reset this? Oh, I can. Okay, now let's move it down. Okay, that's alright. Okay, now for the mouth, it should be something like this. I'll rotate it a bit. Okay, there we go. Okay, now let me copy the outline and paste it. Okay, she doesn't look not so stressed yet. Okay, I think the face looks okay, but something was missing here. Like, she doesn't look tired or stressed enough. So, okay, maybe I found a solution here. Maybe change the color too. Yeah, that's better, right? Moving on to the outfit. And yeah, I should change the color too, just in case. I think that's fine. Okay, wait. Let's see if we can find the shirt. No, not that one. Oh, how's this one? Okay, maybe change that. Yeah, I think that's okay. Okay, yeah, we gotta change the sleeves too. Ah, there we go. I think that's good. Looks close enough. Oh yeah, we've been changed the gloves too yet. Yeah, the Oompa Oompa lady wore gloves in the picture. Yeah, she wore white gloves. And we should change the outline too. Yeah, I think that's alright. She doesn't wear pants, right? Oh yeah, she wears a skirt. Okay, that's kind of too colorful, so let me change that. Yes. Alright, I think that's fine. Move on to socks. Yes, the socks. Maybe this one. Now we change the shoes. Oh, perfect. Yeah, okay. There we go. Am I missing anything? I hope not. Okay, so yeah, that's how I recreate the Oompa Loompa lady in Gacha Life 2. But that's not the end of this video, because the last thing I'm going to recreate is the antagonists and the experience. Yeah, so we're going to recreate the unknown in Gacha Life 2. Okay, maybe we should use the base again, I think. Shall we? I think we should. Alright, let's go. Okay, so I've heard this villain never appeared in the movies or maybe the original novel, but and I think it's not an official villain. I don't know. And let's go. Oh wait, change the head shift, my bad. And the unknown looks like this in the experience. Yeah, I think that's what scared the kids and made children cry, so yeah. Chit chat, let's get going again. And the first thing I'm going to do is change the hair. Oh wait, add the hair, my bad. So we're gonna use this skull head as the mask. I'm not really sure if there's a mask for that. Oh, hold on, let me check. Yep, there's nothing. Yep, that's why I'm using this head shape. So basically, I'm going to make the mask myself. The unknown's hair should be curly. I mean, what I've seen from the picture, it's long hair and curly. Hold on, where's the back hair? Oh, there it is. Okay, I think that's what I'm looking for. Is the hair too dark? I think so. I think that's okay. It's gonna be like that for a while. I mean, I'm still gonna use this one, I think. But, no, let's see this one. Oh, I think that's okay. Okay, let's just move on to the outfit. I'll make it quick though. So I'm gonna make everything on the outfit black. Oh yeah, shading too. Oh, he doesn't wear a belt. Oh wait, where is the belt? Oh, there we go. Am I missing something? Hold on, let me see. I need to cover the necks. Let me see if I can find it. And the sleeves. Yeah, it should look something like this. Yeah, he have long sleeves. Oh yeah. And the pants, just make them black. Okay, the shoe should be simple enough. On this one, I'm just gonna use this one. Maybe I should change the outline of the skin here. Okay, the last thing I'm gonna do is the face. This one or that one. Seems scary enough. I think. I hope so. Yeah, definitely this one. Where's the eyebrows? Oh, there it is. Should we use the thick eyebrows? Maybe not. Oh yeah, and I forgot something. At the nose. Oh wait. Shall we use this one? Or this one? Which one's better? I think this one's okay. Okay, next up is the mouth. Yeah, I think that's good. The other one, let me change that. Let me change the shading of the mask. Oh, what happened to the nose? There, I fixed it. Okay, the last thing I'm going to do is maybe add some shadows to the face. I think that's fine, right? Okay, how's this? It's not perfect, but I think that's good. Oh yeah, let's not forget to name it Diana. Oh yeah, I forgot to rename this the Oompa Loompa lady. Am I forgetting something? Oh yeah, the pose. Change the pose to a scary pose. Ah yes, perfect. Okay, the hands are covered by the sleeves, so let me change that. Nope. Okay, much better. Yeah, maybe we're just gonna use this one. But yeah, that's the unknown in Gacha Life 2. So yeah, that's the Willy Wonka experience in Gacha Life 2. And that's how I recreated them. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching, and happy creating!